Thank you for being a rock star to show the various sit and stand. Just going to say really quickly, when we do the sit and stand, we can do different chair heights. You can do a bench, a chair, or you can have a higher chair like the one you have there, right?
Right.
You can also use a bed, but we always got to make sure that it's the height that doesn't irritate our knees or challenge our balance, because we have to be steady on our feet to do this sit and stand. You feel steady on your feet?
I do.
Excellent. So variation 1, we will do a wide sit and stand, and you're going to have your arms out in front as if there's a safety bar. And I'm going to ask you to do 3 reps. You're going to stand up, pull yourself up, and then as you sit, your arms go away from your body.
Okay.
We'll do our best.
1.
Beautiful. I talk as you move. 2 looks good. 3, 2, 1, sitting down.
3.
You're a rock star. Excellent. Arms down. Very good. So that stance was wide, and of course it can be done in whatever stance the person feels comfortable. Now we're going to do a zombie squat. So the zombie squat, again, you can have whatever leg position you feel comfortable when you sit and stand off a chair. So you're going to have your arms out, stretched as we usually do. So Frankenstein or Frankenstein is the arm position, depending on what part of your neighborhood you're from. And then sit and stand, keep your arms up, and then we'll do 3.
Okay.
You're doing great. Exhale on top.
2.
You got it. This is unscripted. 3, and then we sit. Fantastic. How did that feel on your knees?
It didn't bother my knees at all.
Very good. Just for our purposes, just to review, when you keep your arms up like that, it forces your chest to stay up, which is translated into the biomechanics of the movement. And it also looks good for Halloween, because then you can do a zombie squat and you'll be the talk of your neighborhood. How does that sound?
That sounds good.
Hey, I have